Now next article is moment of inertia of uniform ring. Now we consider a ring. Then ring is a two-dimensional object whose thickness we are considering very small. So you can see this is a ring. Now this ring rotate about axis passing through center, and moment of inertia of ring we can call it as a I. This is I is the moment of inertia. And the mass of this ring is distributed on its circumference. You can see here the mass of the ring is uniformly distributed along its circumference. Then here we have to write the moment of inertia of the ring. Moment of inertia is mass into distance square. So moment of inertia I written here, mass into distance square. Distance we are measuring from the axis. So you can see here the mass is capital M and distance you can see here capital R. So here the moment of inertia we get mass into R square. And this is expression for moment of inertia of uniform ring. Now we can write the cases for moment of inertia. Now we know the moment of inertia about an axis passing through center. You remember this moment of inertia. I is equal to mr square. This moment of inertia we have to remember, which is passing through center and perpendicular to the plane of ring. Now case number 1. So moment of inertia of ring about diameter. Now you know one moment of inertia and you have to find out moment of inertia about diameter. Then how we find out? So we consider ring here. Now I can consider x, y, z axis. So about this z axis, you know that moment of inertia of ring about z axis means about axis perpendicular to the plane and passing through center. It is mr square. So that we derived in the previous article. And we have to find out about x axis and about y axis, because x and y axis are along the diameter. Use perpendicular axis theorem. Iz is equal to ix plus iy. Now here ix and iy, these are passing along the diameter. So both are same. So I can write here this Iz, I written here Iz is mr square. So I can call it as IC also. And Ix and Iy, they are same and they are equal to moment of inertia about diameter. Because both the diameters are same. So equation 1 we can write mr square. I written here instead of Iz, I written mr square. Instead of Ix, I written moment of inertia about diameter, and instead of moment of inertia about y-axis, I written here about diameter. So here we get 2 into moment of inertia about diameter. So 2 we can shift to that side. We get moment of inertia of ring about diameter. So it is mr square by 2. So you can remember here, you can see this relation between these two. So here it is mr square and here it is mr square by 2. Means whatever about the central axis, half about the diameter. So that you can note here. Now after that, the case number 2 also we have to cover, and it is moment of inertia of ring about tangent in its plane. Now let I consider a diagram. You can see a ring and this is a tangent in plane. Huh? So I'm considering tangent in plane. Now this is a diameter. So moment of inertia about diameter is mr square by 2. So this is a ring and about diameter is mr square by 2. And about this tangent we have to find out. You can see this tangent and this about diameter axis, both are parallel. So with parallel axis theorem, by parallel axis theorem we get I0 is equal to IC plus ms square. So this is IC. This axis is passing through center, so it is mr square. I written here IC is this. As well as this distance between two axes is h, it is r, because it is a radius. So instead of h, I can write r in the next step. And this h is equal to r. Now after substituting this, we get moment of inertia about tangent. And this is moment of inertia about any axis. Means about tangent. Is equal to IC is mr square by 2 plus mr square. So it is coming 3 by 2 mr square. And this is the moment of inertia of ring about tangent in plane. So these formulas you try to remember while solving MCQ problems. These are very important. Now case 3. Again, मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ रिंग अबाउट टेंजेंट, इससे पहले तो हमने टेंजेंट ही देखा था, बट ये कौन सा टेंजेंट है, यहाँ पे देखो ये क्या है, परपेंडिकुलर टू इट्स प्लेन है। तो डायग्राम देखो, अभी ये एक्सिस देखो, ये भी एक्सिस सेंटर में से गया एंड दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर एक्सिस एंड दिस इज टेंजेंट व्हिच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन ऑफ द रिंग। अभी देखो ये जो एक्सिस है परपेंडिकुलर, तो उसके अबाउट क्या है, एम आर स्क्वायर जो हमने देखा था इससे पहले, एंड अबाउट टेंजेंट निकालना है, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू एक्सिस है आर। अभी देखो इसी एक्सिस को मैं आई सी लिख सकता हूँ बिकॉज सेंटर में से गया है, सेंटर ऑफ मास से ये, तो बाय आई सी तो मैंने लिखा यहाँ पे, एंड बाय पैरेलल एक्सिस थ्योरम आई ओ इज इक्वल टू आई सी प्लस एम एच स्क्वायर, एंड यहाँ पे एच है आर, तो सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं हम, तो यहाँ पे मैंने उसको टेंजेंट लिखा है आई टी इज इक्वल टू, इसको लिखा है एम आर स्क्वायर एंड ये एम आर स्क्वायर, तो ये आ जाएगा 2mr स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ रिंग अबाउट टेंजेंट, बट ये टेंजेंट है परपेंडिकुलर टू इट्स प्लेन।